Guys, I'm from BSC Tech. In today's video, we have two beautifully designed gaming laptops which you can buy in budget. On my right hand side is an HP Omen, which is on i5 8th generation and currently running Windows 11, which has been loaded recently. On top of that, we have 16 GB of RAM with the 2.3 gigahertz of processor, and we have a GTX 1050 on HP Omen. This machine has proven itself over the time, and if you are into gaming, you know this machine very well. Looking at the left side, we have an HP Pavillion 15, which is AMD Ryzen 5 4600, and this machine is running on Windows 11. On board we have 8 GB of RAM, and if you look at the graphic card, we have a GTX 1650 with Pavillion. So they're both being loaded with Windows 11, and in today's short and quick video, we are going to restart these two laptops. These two gaming laptops will be restarted at the same time, and you will see the results. If you're using one of these laptops and if you're using Windows 11, do let us know in the comment section below. And also, if you are running Windows 10 with one of these two laptops, then also let us know how you're finding your previous Windows version. So let's jump into the video, and we will use the menu button in order to restart. And as you can see that both laptops are restarting now, followed by the restart boot animation on both of these machines. HP Omen goes first. The RGB keyboard light it turns on itself, followed by the HP Omen logo, and the restart circle on the right hand side, followed by HP Pavillion, which is also trying to push itself to its limits. And as you can see that the HP Omen has taken the lead, although it's a near order to HP Pavillion. And here we have HP Omen completely boot up to the main home screen. So there's 3 to 4 second delay in terms of the overall boot time if you compare these two devices. HP Pavillion on my left hand side is slightly newer. However, there is a slight disadvantage when it comes to the RAM. If you like this video, subscribe and do let us know in the comment section below. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.